one. So we've got this GR Yaris in the Whifbitz workshop at the moment. This was dropped off back in early December, and the customer reported a nasty noise coming from the engine. So when it was delivered, we checked it over and we can hear the bottom end was knocking. So we removed the engine and stripped it down, and it has spun a bearing on one of the rods. Not really too sure why it happened. I'd imagine it either run low on oil at some point, or maybe from oil starvation if it was used on track a lot without a baffled sump fitted. So as you can see from the pictures, one of the bearings is damaged from the crank. So seeing as the crank was knackered, needed a new piston and rod, and it actually had quite a bit of wear on the balls as well. So we started again with a brand new Toyota short motor, which we're keeping in stock here, and then the customer wanted more power and reliability, so we forged the engine as well. So we fitted a set of Nitto pistons, Nitto conrods, HKS head gasket, DP head studs, Kelford EZ cams with Kelford valve springs as well. So it's a fully forged built engine along with a baffled sump as well, to stop any issues like this happening again in the future with the bottom end going. We fit an MST Performance sports cat, and it's already had an Akrapovic exhaust fitted, and to get the maximum power of it, we also fitted an Artec Sport 400 turbo. So we normally see around 400 brake, 420 horsepower out of them turbos on pump fuel. So let's pop the bonnet, and I'll show you underneath the bonnet, show you what we've done under there. You can't really see a lot with these engines the way they are, but I'll show you anyway. So it's already got a Ramair carbon intake, as you can see, and we also fit an Artec turbo intake pipe at the back there, turbo elbow as well. So yeah, it really doesn't look much different to stock apart from the airbox, you can see. So this has been mapped on Ecutek software, which we do all of our maps on these days, apart from some customers like the Cyvex ECU if they really want to go mad with it, and also all the safety features you get with Cyvex as well. So as you can see, it's also got this rather nice green wrap. It's definitely going to stand out, this one. Not sure what carbon splitter this is actually, but if anyone knows, comment in the comment box. It's also got some carbon side skirts as well, carbon mirror caps, which might be a set of our own ones. There's already fitted a carbon rear spoiler as well, and a carbon rear diffuser. And inside it's got a suede steering wheel and a suede gear knob. So yeah, let's give it a I'll just give it a quick rip on the dyno, and I'll tell you about the how much power it's made. Okay, so we've done two maps on this car. We've got low boost, high boost. So it's making 314 wheel horsepower, which is 377 brake horsepower. So that's just the low boost setting. This is all on 99 RON pump fuel as well. And then on our high boost setting, which peaks at 1.9 bar at the top end, it's making a whopping 364 wheel horsepower, which is 435 brake horsepower at the flywheel. So I think this is our most powerful Artec turbos car we've done yet. We've done a few of these now with the Artec turbos, and they work a treat. Great turbo because it's a bolt-on turbo, so it bolts on in place with your standard turbo. So your downpipe fits or cap, whatever you want to use. All the intake pipes the same. The recirculating valve plugs in like normal, and it works off the same boost sensor as well. So it's a great plug and play turbo upgrade. So not only makes a lot of power, it also spools really fast too. So this turbo will go a bit more as well. So if we wanted to run a little bit more, you could run E85 fuel to run some more ignition time in. You'd probably see sort of close to 500 horsepower, I would have thought. I haven't tried one yet, but I'm sure it'll make that sort of power, since it's making the power it is on pump fuel. This car's going to be great to drive and reliable as well with all the parts we fitted. If you'd like to get your GR Yaris tuned or maintained or serviced or parts, we do the whole lot here at Whifbitz. Just give us a shout, and please subscribe to our videos to see more.